everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the Sticky Tuesday challenge hosted by Deco and Kiki DIYs. I will leave the link to their channels in the description box, as well as the link to the playlist with all the videos that are going to be entered in this challenge. And it is going to be really sticky, believe me. I'm trying to make, I hope I will succeed, kind of a wagon for decorating for spring. I'm planning on using lemons, but it can be used in different ways. So the first thing I did was to cut a piece of foam to the size of the base that I need. How I knew the size? Well, because in fact this is the first thing I did. I'm using these blocks from this Tumble Tower game. This is the original one, and the pieces are really big compared to the Dollar Tree ones. Let me show you the Dollar Tree ones. Looks like the father and the little kid or the mother and the little kid. So I needed bigger ones, so I found this game at a thrift store at Goodwill, and I sanded the name, the brand, on the pieces I used, because as you can see, if you don't sand them, you get this brand in the side. I painted them in white, and then I adhere them with E6000. I use this, you can see 4 and 4 for the sides, and 5 and 5 for the longest sides. So in total I think it's 18, yes, 18 pieces. And now the following step is to glue them all around this base. I'm going to use hot glue and also E6000. So first I'm going to add the E6000. And I'm going to add these two sides. I think that I better add these sides first. To get a better idea of where I have to add the other ones. I think that's better. So I'm going to remove this one because I'm not doing the things in the right order, and then the result is not going to be the one I'm expecting. So now I'm going to glue this side. I forgot to add hot glue to the other side. Oops, I'm making a mess, as it usually happens. Okay, let me add some hot glue here. And I have to add the last side. I'm going to turn this over. It's not working. I should wait for this to dry. So I think I'm going to stop now, glue the other side, and wait this to dry for a while, and I'll be back, okay? Okay, I've adhered all the sides, and I added already a little bit of E6000 to the base of the pieces that are going to touch the base of the little truck. So I'm going to add the hot glue, and let's keep our fingers crossed. I will be able to turn this upside down or over and glue it to this piece. Yes, yes, I did it. Okay, so you end up with something like this. I'm going to remove this glue that is showing. Anyway, I'll do a better job later. And now I have to add the wheels. For the wheels I'm using these pieces of wood from Dollar Tree. I love them, they are so cute. And as I need them to be elevating the cart, I added pieces of the same game, but the ones from Dollar Tree, to each wheel. And I'm going to add them at the bottom. Let's do this. So I'm going to glue them in one here. Let's see. I think here is going to look good. I'm going to do the same with the other three very quickly. This is a very quick DIY because you only have, well, you have to paint the pieces. I spray painted them in white, but with a Rust-Oleum flat white. But after that it's just gluing and more gluing. I told you, it's sticky, so it's really quick. And hopefully it will look as I want it to look. I'm eyeballing. Hope I'm doing the things right. Okay, I have decided to ruin my, sorry, I need another stick, my glue gun today, but I'm not succeeding, thankfully. Here we go. And we have the last wheel. Okay. Now the reveal. Let's see if it worked. Yeah, it did. I think it looks really cute so far. Next thing, I'm going to add this sign. This is part of a set of 2 from Michael, but my daughter and I found these signs in the dumpster. 2 boxes full of these signs. One box have like 10 or 13 little bags, and with this shape, and the other one is kind of oval, the other box, and again has like 13, 14. So let me see. I think that's the right height for this. And I used giant popsicle stick, jumbo popsicle stick, to add the, it comes with the clothespin, so that's what I use to add it. And let's see. I think that's the right spot. Okay. Now I'm going to place some reindeer moss at the bottom. I love reindeer moss so much. I always say it's really messy, but the look is awesome. You know, that's my favorite word, awesome. So I've been having a lot of trouble finding reindeer moss at Dollar Tree lately, and this is the last bag I have. So I'm going to Dollar Tree next week. Fingers crossed I will find more. And now I'm going to add a few of these fake stones, moss stones. I'm trying different ways. I couldn't rehearse this, so let's see how it looks with the lemons. I have them here. I have large ones, maybe 2 large ones, and some smaller ones, the baby lemons. Yes, I think that I want one here, and maybe this is enough. What do you think? I don't think I have room for anything else. I may add some greenery. I have these leaves that I had glue. I glued them a long time ago for another DIY, and maybe adding them here is going to fill, in this place is going to fill in the spaces in between the lemons. I think it looks better with the leaves. You have to unglue them without breaking them. Another one in this side. Bear with me because I am doing this and arranging them as I go. Okay, I think we need a couple more, maybe one by the sign, and another one in this corner. I have 2 more. Let me see if I can separate them. Well, this hot glue worked pretty well. Yes, I think it looks good like this. Yeah, I like this. Yes. Okay, so this is my final product. So here you have it. I hope you like it. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to the hostesses for hosting this challenge. Please visit their channel and please watch the videos in the playlist. Thank you so much also to all of you for watching this video. Hope to see you in my next one, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.